Hello there, I welcome you here. Today we are going to discuss about top interview questions in digital marketing. Introduction. Read best interview questions and tutorials, digital marketing interview questions. If you are preparing for a marketing interview, must go through this question series. Let's start. First question is, which kind strategy do you think is ideal? The answer is basically my view thinking about marketing and advertising strategies ought to be split into two main categories, which include long term and short term strategies. Short term strategies are ideal if you are in need to build traffic or sales quickly and for a set of amount of money you can place ads or distribute a message that leads to a immediate response but finite number of new customers who are interested in long-term strategies on the other hand require more investment both of the time and in money. They also usually don't allow you to see results right away, but over time their effectiveness grows, ultimately leading to a higher long-term returns on investment and better. Next thing is digital marketing is better than traditional marketing. Can you please explain the statement? If this is the answer question, then this is the answer you want to give. The answer is basically the goal of both marketing is same, that is to attract and drive visitors of advertising to buy the product, thereby increasing the business profit. Basic difference between both is that if we go for a traditional marketing, it is difficult to measure how many people read your advertising and how many took favorable action upon viewing it, and demerit is overcome by online marketing, in which you can know how many people viewed your advertisement and how many purchased the product. And also cost effectiveness is a factor which distinguishes between two. This is the answer. And next question is, what do you think, which marketing strategy is best? Answer is SEO is an acronym for search engine optimization, is basically one of the best strategies according to me, as it's the best process for optimizing your website and offsite targets to increase your rankings and visibility in search engines. This increase in ranking of one search engine and results in more traffic. As a result of it, more revenue. And next question is, what's webinar? This is the most asked questions, and here is the answer. Webinar is essentially a seminar that takes place online. It can be in form of a demonstration or discussion. Webinars are often used as magnets for email marketing, and the right topic can drive a large batch of new subscribers to your list. It can also be used to build credibility with your current subscribers. Webinars can also be recorded and used as standalone products or even a series of products. They are a great medium for both live and recorded trainings. Webinars tend to be more engaging than simple videos, even if they are used in exactly the same way. And next thing is, the question is, so which of the strategies is best for long-term online marketing? The answer is That depends on what your goals are. If you are interested in highest possible return on what you invest, email marketing is probably your best bet. But if you wanted a well-rounded strategy with many benefits and virtually unlimited growth, content marketing is better. If you want to do the absolute best results no matter what your goals are, you should be using these four strategies in tandem with one another. Individually, they are each a powerful way to build your reputation and attract more traffic to your site. But together, they are far bigger than just the sum of their products. And finally, the question is, does email marketing have a higher ROI, return on investment, than other marketing? Answer is, email marketing has been around since the early days, and all our new forms of digital communication haven't yet led to its down market. Email marketing usually consists of regularly sent newsletters and promotional offers to a growing list of subscribers and has distinct pure advantages. According to some of the studies, email marketing has a higher return on investment than any other marketing, sometimes projected as returning 399% of your investment. Email marketing is basically useful for both attracting new customers and be in touch with old ones. There are not many best practices. And next thing is, this is a question that most you can face in interview. There are the chances. Why SEO strategy is advantageous? Please elaborate. You must give the answer at least 10 to 12 lines. This is the example. It is advantageous basically due to its flexibility. Your strategic direction in SEO is usually dictated by the types of keywords you want to target and the type of visibility you want to earn. Since pretty much everybody uses search engines as a conduit for their eventual online interactions. This makes SEOs an enormously flexible strategy. You can use it for almost any businesses in any industry and customize it to your needs. SEO is also advantageous because of precision. Truth, you will be in the dark about certain information like your exact domain authority. You can track your rankings about your audience. And this is the another question, that what do you think sustained authority in content marketing exactly is? Answer is, sustained authority is that authority which you build in your SEO campaign and is permanent. You will continue reaping results of your efforts even after you have ended your campaign. But content marketing servers service as an excellent complementary strategy to SEO, which I considered it an inherent part of SEO. At its core, content marketing is the development, publication, and syndication of content that's value to your customers, whether it comes in the form of buying guides or entertainment. And thank you for watching this video. It may helpful for you. You can also search similar questions and similar answer in Google. There also you can find the best solutions. And finally, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe if you like this video for interesting new topics. And finally again, thank you.